Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Colmi P77 Smartwatch, and on this video we are going to show you the process on how to connect or pair it with our iPhone or iOS platform. On our previous video, we showed you the steps or the setup process for the Android smartphone. This time, it's all about the iOS platform or iPhone. So for those of you who are asking whether the Colmi P77 is compatible with iOS or iPhone, watch this video. And again, if you have any questions regarding the setup process, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and pair the P77 with our iPhone. So we have here our iPhone. So let's download the application. The application for our smartwatch is the Daffit app, as you can see here. Okay, so tap on to download the application. After a successful download, it will automatically install it in our iPhone or smartphone. So let's wait for the completion of download. Okay, so the download is now complete. Let's open the application. Open the app. Then we'll allow the permission here. Agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Agree. Then next, set your profile here. You can also skip if you want. Next, your age, your height, as well as your weight. Then your step length. Next, you have to enable the permission for notification if you want to receive smart notification. So we will allow the permission. Daffit wants to use your location. Enable permissions. Okay, so we have here, it is asking to use our location. So allow the device. Then it is asking to activate or use the Bluetooth service. Enable permission. Okay. Then as you can see here, we already have here our smartwatch. It is the P77. To pair, select the device. And let's see, are we connected? Okay, scan code not paired. Okay, connect. Let's see. Let's select next device. And let's try to find our smartwatch. And as you can see, we are connected. It's just a bit delayed. Sometimes a notification on the smartwatch will show that it is the support app, the Daffit app, is asking to pair with our device. Okay. Then next, let's double check our setup here. Notifications. You can turn off some of the apps here that you are not using. Then go back. We have the world clock. We have our favorite contacts here. Enable permission. You can add your own phone numbers. Add quick newsletter. Then confirm. Confirm. Transfer completed. Let's check. So we have here, so turn on. So we need to activate our Bluetooth call. Then go back. We have here our contacts. Okay, so it works. Then let's double check. We have others here. Time format. Use the 12-hour format time. And seems like everything's okay here. So we have successfully connected our P77 smartwatch with our iPhone or iOS platform. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup process, drop a comment below. And as you can see here, the same setup process on the Android platform. Permission first, enable some of the permissions, activate our Bluetooth connectivity, search for the smartwatch and pair it. So that's it for our tutorial on how to connect or pair with the P77 smartwatch with our iOS platform. Hopefully we answered your questions about the compatibility of the P77 with the iOS platform. So it is perfectly compatible with our iPhone. Again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!